My name is Vale, and Valeriano, but it's a long name, so more easy than Vale. Yeah, and I opened a restaurant, but before we started a food truck, and my sister-in-law with me, and we started. Now we opened a restaurant. Well, it's Taqueria Nogal Domingo. It's a real name, but we call like a restaurant, but it's a little small. But we're working on it, and we see it like a little bigger before, after in the future. And we like to cook. We like sell some tacos, some burritos, and quesadillas.
And in this restaurant, do you work with your family?
Yeah, we all family. So me, my wife, my kids, and my sister-in-law, um, her husband, their kids too. Yeah, so all family in here.
Why did you want to open your own restaurant?
Oh, why? Because we like it here, and we got a lot of hand. They all people living here. They love food, and they give me a hand like you need this one, you need that one, and we work together. And I like that one. I like it.
What is your favorite dish that you serve here?
Well, I like burrito. Yeah, burrito. Yeah. And now we do huaraches. Huaraches, a lot of people like it too. Yeah, they come in fried beans, any meat you wanna put on it, and lettuce, queso fresco, cartoons, like nopales. Yeah.
Do you cook any special foods when it's like a holiday or anything like that?
Well, when like a reservation, yeah, yeah, we do carne asada, or we do tilapia fry, the old tilapia.
What kind of flavors or spices do you use in your food? Like, how is it different than like American food?
Well, we got green sauce and a red sauce. The red one is a little hot. Actually, we have nogal sauce. Yeah, they're so delicious. They like to. They come in with a burrito nogal. They come with pecan and salsa nogal. The burrito nogal is a big burrito, and I come in like the red sauce, green sauce, and salsa nogal. Yeah, they like.
Oh, what type of foods do you recommend kids to try when they're at your restaurant?
For the kid, we have kid quesadilla, or we can do like cheese taco. They come in only tortilla, cheese, and any meat you want, like chicken or steak. We can do that too.
Do you want to talk a little bit about like your family and your family's culture? Like where, because I know you and your wife are from two different places, right?
Yeah, I'm from Mexico, Hidalgo. My wife from Guatemala, and we work it together. And my sister-in-law from Guatemala too, so yeah. And my kids, they born here. So now my kids, they have like a three country. They can stay here, or can go Mexico, or can go Guatemala. So. This is for burrito nogal. Yeah. It's almost ready. Tomato.
It's so big.
Okay, Taqueria Domingo.